a private country retreat set on 18 acres in Missouri, offering space, privacy, and a true homestead lifestyle just minutes from town, while still feeling completely secluded in nature. As you arrive, the property opens into peaceful rolling land surrounded by mature trees, giving you a quiet and private setting away from everyday noise. With 18 acres, there is plenty of usable space for gardening, animals, recreation, or simply enjoying wide open country living. The home features 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, with a warm, rustic design that blends comfort and character. Inside, the main living room immediately stands out, with beautiful shiplap ceilings and exposed beams, creating a cozy cabin-style atmosphere. The open design connects naturally into the dining and kitchen areas, making the space feel both functional and inviting for everyday living or entertaining. A walkout basement adds even more flexibility and includes a lower-level garage, giving you convenient space for storage, tools, or outdoor equipment. Step outside and the experience continues with a large deck overlooking the property. It's the perfect place to relax, enjoy your morning coffee, or take in the peaceful sunset views across your land. This property is already set up for homesteading, with fenced garden areas, chicken coops, and multiple outbuildings, making it ideal for small farming, livestock, or self-sufficient living. A bonus structure currently used as an office adds even more versatility. It can easily be converted into a guest space, workshop, studio, or even a small rental unit, depending on your needs. With a mix of open land and natural privacy, this property offers the flexibility